Hi everyone, welcome to Sutra Online. This is Narsima, Physics faculty. Today in this session, I am going to explain about electric motor. About electric motor means construction of electric motor and working of electric motor. Now let's start. Electric motor is a device which converts electric energy to mechanical energy. Which converts electric energy to mechanical energy. So we can see many places this device in various components in our day-to-day life. See here examples: refrigerator, mixer, computer, MP3 player, washing machine and a fan. So when we switch on fan means what happened? The fan will be rotate. When the fan will be rotate means what happened? This electric energy is converted into mechanical energy. So like that, wherever this electric energy is converted into mechanical energy, their compulsory electric motor will be there. So now we can see construction of electric motor. Let us see construction of electric motor. Now see here, I am taking a rectangular coil of copper wire. This name written as A, B, C, D. Now this rectangular coil is placed between the two poles of magnetic field. So the two poles means north pole and south pole. Now come to this rectangular coil ends connected to with two split rings. So here I am taken for two split rings S1 and S2. S1, S2, two split rings, and these two split rings touches with brushes. So here I am taken names for brushes B1 and B2. B1, B2 are brushes. Now these two brushes are fixed position. These two brushes are fixed position means these two are rest position. Now the system is connected with a source. Source means battery. Now let us see working of electric motor. So working of electric motor is depend on one principle. We'll see that principle here. When a current carrying conductor is placed in an external magnetic field, it experiences magnetic force. That means what happened? The rectangular coil of A, B, C, D is placed between the two poles of magnetic field. By the time this coil experience magnetic field, magnetic force, so how that will be act, we'll see right now. So when I switch on means what happened? The current is comes from the battery and the current is passing through coil A, B, C, D, and it is entered from the brush B1 and leaves from the brush B2. So when current is passing through segment AB, now force will be act on AB. How that force will be act, we can find by using a Fleming left hand rule. So Fleming left hand rule means if we take these three, thumb finger and index finger and middle finger, if you stretch perpendicular to each other these three fingers, so here thumb finger is indicate magnetic force and index finger is indicate magnetic field and this middle finger is indicate current direction. Now if I apply here Fleming left hand rule, so on segment AB, so when the current is passing through the AB means this middle finger is indicate current direction and this index finger is indicate magnetic field direction. So here thumb finger is indicate magnetic force. So here the force is act on segment AB into the board, means the force pushes the downward direction of segment AB. Right, when it comes to segment CD, here if you apply again Fleming left hand rule, so here current direction is there downward direction. So when the current is coming downward direction, this is the magnetic field direction. Here force is act out the board. means upward direction. That means what happens, the magnetic force pushes the CD segment upward direction. So due to that thing, what happened, the coil will takes rotation from 0 to 90 degrees. So see here, I will explain clearly. This is the rectangular coil A, B, C, D. Here force is act downward direction, means into the page. Here force is act upward direction. That means what happened, this rectangular coil takes rotation from 0 to 90 degrees. When it is comes to 0 to 90 degrees, what happened, these two split rings lost contact with brushes. These two split rings lost contact with brushes means what happened, there is no electric current through coil. So then what happened, there is no magnetic force act on the coil, but due to the inertia motion, it takes remaining rotation from 90 degrees to 180 degrees. So here off cycle is completed. When the off cycle is completed means what happened, the current direction will become reverse. When the current direction become reverse means here these two slip rings position also become change. That means here this S2 comes to S1 place. That means this S2 contact with B1 and S1 comes to this position and this S1 is contact with B2. Here direction also become change. This become D and this is become C and this is become B and A. So again if you apply Fleming left hand rule for remaining off cycle, so current direction is their upward direction, force is act again into the board, this is the field direction. So comes to here on segment AB, here also current direction is their downward direction. So this is the magnetic field direction, again force is act upward direction. So due to that these two forces are again opposite to each other, means these two act opposite to each other. That again what happened, the coil will takes remaining off rotation. So like that one rotation is completed. So this always the current direction is going to become change. When the current direction is going to become change means what happened, the magnetic forces direction also become reverse. So due to that thing what happened, the coil continuously rotate. So when the coil is continuously rotate means what happened, this electric energy is converted into mechanical energy. So finally we can give the conclusion. So electric motor is a device which converts electric energy to mechanical energy. So for more videos, for more information, please download the Sutra online app and also subscribe my Physics Made Easy channel. Thank you for everyone.